In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login or logout button in Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to enhance your website's functionality, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your Wix site editor. It's the central hub where you can add and customize elements on your website. Once you're in, look for the Add button on the left side of the editor. This is where we can start adding new elements to your page. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Community section. By accessing this area, you'll find a range of features and tools designed to build engagement and interactivity on your site, including components for user login and community interactions. Once you're in the Community section, locate the Login bar. You'll want to click on this to add a Login/Logout bar to your site. This bar is a dynamic feature allowing users to sign in and out of your site seamlessly. After you've added the Login bar, it's time to select a login option. You'll have several alternatives to choose from, so pick one that suits your website design and meets your functional needs. Now, let's set up your login bar. This will involve clicking Set Up Login Bar to configure its appearance and behavior. Here, you can tailor the settings to make it fit well with your site's design and ensure it functions correctly for your users. Next, you'll want to select a layout or design for your login bar. Wix provides various options, allowing you to customize the look to complement your site's aesthetic. You can choose from layouts that feature just text, a profile picture, or even a full design style. Once that's done, you can delve further into customization. If you'd like, you can set up your login feature to display a profile picture, text, or use a full option that might include additional graphics or layout elements. This choice adds a personal touch and makes the login process piece more intuitive for users. Moving on, you'll find options for a custom layout, allowing you to tweak and personalize how the login and /logout feature operates and appears within the context of your site. To finish off, be sure to test out all changes you've made by clicking on the Logout button. This helps to verify that both the login and logout processes are functioning smoothly. Don't forget to revisit the design and settings elements one last time to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. This could include adjusting colors, fonts, and any other stylistic elements to ensure visual cohesiveness across your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a login/logout button on your Wix site. This feature not only enhances the user experience, but also increases the professionalism and functionality of your website. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more helpful Wix tutorials.